Thank you, my dear. You with Mama. Good job, my dear.
马可，你再把些面条放这儿。
Ethan. Noodle. Matthew, say hi. Matthew, say hi. Say hi. Hello.
Hello, everybody. What are you eating, Ethan? Say noodle. Matthew, what are you doing there? Oh, Ethan, that's too much.
Ethan, you can eat noodle that fast, huh? Huh? Ethan loves noodle. Oh. Mommy, Daddy's shooting video.
We are gonna post you guys to YouTube so everybody around the world can see.
Daddy's trying to make money off us.
Ethan, what are you doing? Huh? Don't you want more noodle? Oh, that's not right way to eat noodle. God, how do you see?
Ethan.
Ethan, that's too much. Huh? Oh, that's gone. That all gone. Last one. Go.